now that's good oil pressure. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. That's what we're talking about, oil pressure. What should you have and what should you not have? Well, nobody wants to see that. Zero oil pressure, not a good thing. Where does it all start? Right there at the oil pump. The oil pump's gonna shoot it up through all the oil galleries, and we're gonna lubricate things like the camshaft bearings, the main bearings. Everything needs good lubrication. Now, oil pressure should be anywhere, you can see here, between 10 and 15 at idle, 30 to 40 PSI when you get it up there a little higher RPM. What you don't want is an engine that looks like this. We actually took this one out here at the shop, and you can see it here. I mean, this is a mess. This one hasn't been changed, and it absolutely does not have AMSOIL in there. You can see it right here. The sludge, the followers, the cam bearings, everything on this motor wiped out, done. Where did it all get wiped out? Well, look at the oil pan. Here he comes. Man, all the debris and metal and everything ended up down there in the oil pan. Len, that's not good. That's not good at all, man. Oil pressure's key, even on high mileage vehicles.
Yeah, that's correct. You want to make sure that you're keeping the engine clean, which is what that graphic that you have there is showing, is that we want to make sure the engine stays clean. And then we also, any dirt, any impurities, anything that process of combustion produces, you want to make sure that it ends up in the oil filter.
Yeah, and you guys got one right here, cutaway. You guys got high quality product here, drain back valve, everything. So you're not going to have any problems with this oil filter.
Yep, that's one of our high mileage oil filters that you have there. That thing is good for up to 25,000 miles. So it has a lot of capacity to handle dirt.
Now, viscosity plays an important role with oil pressure as well.
It does. And as we look at some of these new vehicles out there, the thin viscosity that they're requiring, it's really crazy. 0.16s are becoming very, very popular. That's a very thin oil. That means it doesn't have an opportunity to thin out as it heats up, as most oils do. On the other end of that spectrum, you have your traditional 20W50. You know, there's a lot of protection in there. There's a lot of cushion, if you will, in there because the viscosity is heavier. Point is, use what's required in your owner's manual, or check with your engine builder.
Make sure you use AMSOIL. No oil pressure can result in your engine becoming a hunk of molten metal. Don't let that happen. Go to AMSOIL.com. They got you covered for whatever you drive.